What if your WooCommerce store could show off your products without showing the price? For a lot of businesses, that's not a glitch, it's the goal. So today I'll show you exactly how to hide prices in WooCommerce, both with plugins and with a little custom code. Let's jump in. Why hide prices? First, why would anyone hide prices? Turns out, a ton of reasons. Not every store wants to show prices to everyone. If you run a wholesale or B2B business, you may have special prices for different customers, and you probably don't want competitors seeing them. If you sell custom-made products or provide quotes for every project, like manufacturers, construction companies, or industrial suppliers, one fixed price usually doesn't work. And for some businesses, the website is simply a product catalog. The goal isn't to sell online right away. It's to let people browse products and contact you for more information or a custom quote. The common thread? You want people to reach out instead of just seeing a number and leaving. The 3 approaches. There are basically 3 ways to do this. 1. Plugins. Easiest, very flexible, and they keep working after WooCommerce updates. Best choice for most stores. 2. Custom code. Maximum control, but you're on the hook for maintenance. And 3. CSS hiding, which honestly is just a quick temporary patch, so we'll skip past that one. Let's start with the plugins, since that's what most of you will actually use. Plugin 1. Hide price and show custom button. First up, Hide Price and Show Custom Button for WooCommerce by WP Coders. This one's a powerhouse, and I'll drop a link to it in the description. Here, you can hide prices and the Add to Cart button store-wide for guest visitors. Replace the price with your own message and even apply the same settings to one additional user role. Need more flexibility? Upgrade to Hide Price Pro. Create rules for specific products or categories, target multiple user roles or countries, replace Add to Cart with custom buttons or quote requests, and capture leads with enquiry pop-ups. It's everything you need to build a smarter, more personalized shopping experience. And here's the payoff on the storefront. Logged out, no price, just a custom button or an inquiry form. Logged in as an approved customer, the price shows right up. Same product, totally different experience. Plugin 2. ELEX WooCommerce Catalog Mode. Next, ELEX WooCommerce Catalog Mode. Great pick if you want a pure catalog, and a big bonus, a lot of its features are free. In the settings, you can remove prices across the store and disable those Add to Cart buttons entirely. So now customers can browse everything, but they can't buy online. You can swap in custom action buttons or even redirect products to an external link or landing page. Perfect for a showcase style site. Plugin 3. YITH. Request a quote. Third option, YITH Request a Quote. This is the one to reach for if your sales run on quotes. Instead of a price, customers build a quote list, kind of like a cart, but for requesting pricing. You can hide prices on the products you choose and set up a custom quote form to collect exactly the details you need. On the front end, they hit Add to Quote, fill out the form, and send it over. And on your side, the request lands right here, so you can reply, negotiate, and close the deal. Clean and simple. Custom codes. Now, if you'd rather skip plugins and do this with code, that's totally doable. With just a few snippets in your theme's functions file, you can hide prices from guests, hide them for a specific category, swap the price for a Request a Quote button, or strip prices from the entire store. I'm not going to read code on camera, nobody wants that, so I've dropped all of those snippets in the blog post linked down in the description. Grab them there, copy, paste, done. So there you go. Whether you go with a plugin or a bit of custom code, hiding prices in WooCommerce is easier than you'd think. Pick the method that fits your business: role-based control, a catalog-only site, or a full quote system. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips. And the code's waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.